Welcome to CakeBot's tutorial on sniping tokens. Today, we'll dive deep into sniping tokens as soon as they are launched with unmatched speed. By using our snipe token feature, you can be among the first to buy into in-demand launches and secure yourself the best price. To get started, navigate to the snipe token section. From here, you'll have the flexibility to tailor your purchase parameters. Let's first select the wallets for the transaction. For demonstration purposes, I'll opt for Wallet 2. Next, specify your buy amount. Remember, when using multiple wallets, the designated amount will be debited from each one. If you have a specific value in mind, simply select the custom option. For instance, entering 2.5 means 2.5 BNB will be spent from every selected wallet. Now, let's talk about slippage. You can either utilize the quick select presets or input a custom percentage. I'll demonstrate with a 50% slippage. It's worth noting that a higher slippage may expose you to MEV, minor extractable value, attacks. That said, in the fast-paced environment of token sniping, a substantial slippage might be necessary due to rapid price movements. Always ensure your slippage is set appropriately, otherwise, your transaction could be unsuccessful. Next, input the token address you're sniping. I'm using a random token called Noria that is yet to launch for demonstration purposes. The following 4 fields are crucial. Any inaccuracies here can compromise your snipe. The launch function identifies the mechanism that enables trading. Commonly, there's an enable trading function that the owner initiates. For the launch, you'll need the function selector, which can be derived from the CakeBot 256 hash of the enabling function's signature, often found beside the function name on BSC scan in brackets. Token owner refers to the owner's address of the targeted token. Typically, this can be sourced from the contract on BSC scan under the getOwner function. Now let's talk about gas. Max gas determines the peak GUI you're willing to commit. For highly anticipated launches, it's advisable to allocate a generous amount, allowing CakeBot to deduce the ideal GUI for the transaction. In this example, I'm going to use 100 GUI. Please be mindful that certain tokens embed anti-sniping measures, which might blacklist early participants or impose hefty taxes. To mitigate such setbacks, our dead blocks feature comes into play. For example, if a contract dictates a 2-block penalty for initial buyers, input 2 for dead blocks. CakeBot will then hold off until 2 blocks post-launch before safely processing your transaction. Once you've configured these settings, simply click on Add to Token Snipe List. Your snipe will be created, and CakeBot, with its vigilant monitoring of the mempool, will actuate your snipe within milliseconds upon detecting the launch transaction. Rest assured, the bot remains fully functional post-snipe setup. You'll be promptly notified once your transaction is submitted. For an overview of your configured snipes, select Manage your token snipe list. This panel displays all active snipes, and should you wish to cancel one, merely copy its ID and click Remove Token Snipe. That concludes our walkthrough on CakeBot's snipe token feature. Eager to learn more? Stay with us as we delve deeper into CakeBot's array of features in upcoming videos. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments, questions, or feedback below.